Hey friends, if you wish to show the pen menu icon on the taskbar, then please watch this video. Now before using the pen menu icon, I want you to know one thing, that you should have a pen. If you do not have a pen, then there is no need of the icon and it will only take extra memory. So I usually avoid that. But if you have a pen, then you have multiple options. Either you can enable or disable it through the software, or you can simply introduce the option here somewhere in the taskbar so that it can be handled accordingly. If not here, then amongst extra icons. So right click on the taskbar and select startup settings. Under system tray icons, you'll see pen menu. Just turn it on. Okay, and this will solve the problem for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.